This is me putting the paper boat into the water.
Hold on. What do you got going on there? So those are your boats?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this over here?
It's a big bowl of water.
And what are these?
They're two cups of water.
Half cups.
Half cups.
And what are you going to do with them?
I'm gonna put that into there.
Is that too big?
Yeah. And it floats also. Now let's try this one. It floats too.
Great. So now, what are we going to do?
Now I'm gonna put
One there.
that one in.
Okay.
And then put this one inside like that.
All right.
And
What's
it's
happening?
And it still floats. And then I'm going to put there. Now it sinks.
Okay. So if you put too much water on that one, it sinks. How about this big one?
It's going to float.
You think so?
Yeah. And now it's gonna still float, and then bigger, and then bigger. Now it sinks.
It's still floating.
Yeah.
Go to the bottom. Okay? So what did we learn?
That the boat that has more water sinks, and the boat that has less water doesn't sink.
Or how about the sizes of the boats?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Also
Look at
that.
the camera. Now what?
Now we're going to see both of them, and then do. Now we're going to try again to see if it's really doing the trick we want. So I'm going to fold that part. And that part so it's not touching it. Now I'm going to take some water. Now. Oh, also it sinks by itself now.
Cool.
And let's try the other one again. See which other one.
I think there's a lot more water, huh? No, that's not this one.
And it's floating. Now it's sinking.
Cool. All right. Thanks, Josh.